Welcome to the Alam Law Popo channel. In this video, we will discuss dust problems on haul roads or tailings dams. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe first. Dust is one of the most common environmental challenges in mining operations worldwide. Haul roads are a major source of dust due to constant heavy vehicle movement. Tailings dams can also generate dust, especially during dry and windy conditions. Dust particles can become airborne and travel long distances from the source. Excessive dust reduces visibility on haul roads and increases accident risks. Operators often struggle to see road edges and other vehicles in dusty conditions. Dust from tailings dams can impact nearby communities and ecosystems. Fine dust particles can affect air quality and human health. Long-term dust exposure may lead to respiratory problems for workers. Dust accumulation can also damage machinery and vehicle components. Haul road dust is often caused by dry surfaces and high traffic volume. Tailings dam dust usually comes from exposed dry tailings material. Weather conditions play a major role in dust generation. Strong winds can rapidly increase dust emissions from open surfaces. Dry seasons usually create more severe dust problems than wet seasons. Uncontrolled dust can lead to regulatory and compliance issues. Communities near mining sites often raise concerns about dust pollution. Effective dust management is essential for sustainable mining operations. Water spraying is one of the most common dust control methods. Chemical dust suppressants can provide longer, lasting control. Proper road maintenance helps reduce dust generation. Vegetation can help stabilize tailings dam surfaces. Surface covers are often used to protect dry tailings areas. Monitoring dust levels is critical for early detection of problems. Real-time data helps operators respond quickly to rising dust levels. Training workers increases awareness and improves dust control practices. A well-planned dust strategy protects people, equipment, and the environment. Managing dust on haul roads and tailings dams is a key responsibility in modern mining. Poor dust control can significantly increase operating costs over time. Increased maintenance is often required when dust damages equipment. Dust can clog air filters and reduce engine efficiency. Reduced visibility may force operations to slow down or stop. Dust issues can negatively impact mine productivity. Tailings dust is especially problematic during mine closure phases. Long-term planning is essential to control dust beyond active operations. Covering tailings reduces wind erosion and dust emissions. Water availability can limit dust suppression effectiveness. Overwatering can create road damage and safety hazards. Finding the right balance in dust control is critical. Modern mines use data-driven approaches to manage dust. Automation can improve consistency in dust suppression. Speed limits help reduce dust generation on haul roads. Driver behavior directly influences dust levels. Training programs reinforce safe and dust-aware driving habits. Community engagement helps address dust-related concerns. Transparent communication builds trust with nearby residents. Environmental reporting is often required by regulators. Failure to control dust can result in fines or shutdowns. Best practices evolve as technology improves. Research continues to develop more effective dust solutions. Climate change may increase dust risks in some regions. Adaptive strategies are needed for changing environmental conditions. Dust management should be integrated into overall mine design. Early planning reduces future dust-related challenges. Sustainable mining prioritizes environmental responsibility. Dust control protects wildlife around mining areas. Continuous improvement is key to long-term success. Learning from past challenges helps prevent future issues. Dust management requires commitment from all levels of the operation. Strong leadership drives better dust control outcomes. Clear procedures ensure consistent dust control practices. Audits help identify gaps in dust management systems. Corrective actions improve dust control performance. Innovation plays a growing role in dust suppression. Remote monitoring reduces the need for manual inspections. Predictive models help anticipate dust events. Preparedness minimizes operational disruptions. Effective dust control supports safe and efficient mining. Good dust management improves company reputation. Responsible mining benefits both industry and society. Lessons learned can be shared across the mining industry. Continuous education strengthens dust control culture. Future mines aim for near zero dust emissions. Technology and responsibility will shape mining's future. Every improvement starts with awareness and action. Small changes can create significant long-term benefits. Dust control is an ongoing journey, not a one-time fix. Managing dust on haul roads and tailings dams is essential for safe, sustainable mining.